If you're thinking about starting your YouTube channel, but you're not sure, should you name it your name? Should you name it your business name? Or what should you name your YouTube channel? Stick around because we're going to be talking about exactly what you should name your YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Trena, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs just like you figure out how to start using YouTube in your business strategy. One of the first things you've got to figure out if you're going to use YouTube is, what should your YouTube name be? I've got a few suggestions and a few ways for you to think about it so you can determine what's going to be the best name for your YouTube channel and what's going to help your business best. The first thing I want you to think about when starting your YouTube channel and figuring out what to name it is, can people say it easily, or can people read it and know how to pronounce it? One of the biggest problems I see with people who are ready to start their YouTube channel, they want to have some kind of creative name and they want to stand out. But what happens is other people aren't sure how to say the name of your channel.
Now, D-nice.
Do you mean Denise?
Son of...
You want it to be easy to say so people can search it in YouTube or in Google. So say they hear about you from a friend or they see you on Instagram, they're like, wait, I want to go check out their YouTube channel. But can they remember how to say it so they can type it into YouTube to find you? The next thing I want you to think about is, are you going to be the leader of your channel? So if you're going to be the leader, it would be great to just name your YouTube channel your name. Now, if you're going to have a collaborative YouTube channel, say you and your team are going to talk about different things, then you may want to think of your channel as a whole. So like Laura Casey has a brand called Cultivate What Matters, and she has a whole team. So if they were to start a YouTube channel, she might just want to name her YouTube channel Cultivate What Matters, so she can then have all her team members be featured on that channel. Whereas if it was just called Laura Casey, people would expect to go to that YouTube channel and just see her. So think about, what are your future goals for your channel? Are you intended to be the primary leader, or do you want to bring more people on or bring your team on to help you create YouTube content? The third thing to think about is get creative. You can easily include the topic or niche you are talking about on your channel, like my channel. My channel is called Tips with Trena. Now that's a little vague, so maybe I could call it YouTube Tips with Trena. What are you a leader in your niche, or what is your expertise? Maybe you can incorporate that into your channel. Say if I taught beauty, I could be Beauty Tips with Trena, or Mom Makeup with Trena, right? Start to think about those keywords or that niche that you're in and include it with your name somehow. I want you to also look at some of your favorite YouTubers and see how they are creating their channel names. What are some similar formulas that you could use to name your YouTube channel? Because it doesn't just have to be your name. You can totally get as creative as you want with this. The next thing I want you to do when you're thinking about naming your YouTube channel is check out social and also domain names, because if you have a YouTube channel name, you're probably going to want to have the Instagram link, the Facebook link, the Twitter link, all those links, and you're also probably going to want to have it www.youryoutubechannelname.com. It just makes it a lot easier for people to find you and a lot easier for you to kind of promote yourself on all these different platforms. So make sure those are available as well when you're thinking about your YouTube channel. Now, if you're just going to name your YouTube channel your business name, you've probably got that covered. One of the websites that you can use to really check this quick to see if you can grab all the different handles is chk.com. Just type in what you want to name your YouTube channel and you can see, is the domain available, is the Instagram available, Twitter, Facebook, all of that. So that's a quick way to check it. And finally, just don't stress, because here's a little secret. You can always change your YouTube name, right? So go with what you feel is right, make sure it's easy to say, and just get started. I want to know, what's your current YouTube channel name, or what are you thinking about naming your YouTube channel down below? Now, if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to that next level and start using it the right way in your business, make sure you click that playlist that is on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for new tips and strategies on how to use YouTube in your business every Monday and Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye.